Trauma, inflammation, and degenerative diseases can lead to unbearable joint pain. According to the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons, delaying replacement surgeries will likely cause the damage and pain to worsen.
They've gotten to the point where arthritis medicines aren't working anymore, physical therapy isn't working, you're having pain all the time. It's affecting the way you live, it's affecting whether the things you're able to do.
Degeneration can lead to limping, difficulty crossing legs, and limited mobility.
I always tell people you'll know when you're ready to have the hip replacement. That's usually the time is when you just kind of get to the point where your quality of life is just not what you want it to be.
It didn't take a serious event for someone like Eric Jeter to consider getting a hip replacement.
No accidents, no injuries, just over time, it just disintegrated. And I had bone on bone with bone spurs. I've been going through it for double-digit years, and it was about time for me to just go ahead and take care of it.
Eric says that kind of pain changed
everything, my sleeping habits, my sleeping positions, the way I walked. It was a nightmare.
And like a nightmare, Eric says the idea of going in for surgery was just as nerve-inducing.
Nobody likes being put under the knife.
But the orthopedic team at Arnett Health aims to put patients' worries aside.
It's a muscle-sparing approach, it's less invasive, and people recover quicker from it.
Helping someone like Eric focus on new possibilities, knowing
he had my best interests at heart. Just knowing or having the hopeful knowledge that the pain would be gone, you just persevere.
Life pain-free was a simple expectation.
Now, don't get me wrong, the pain from the surgery was there, but the initial pain was gone. The pain in my back, the pain in my hip, the grinding in my hip was gone.
And that would have a life-changing impact.
I already knew that once the surgical pain diminished, that life would be grand.
If you're wondering what grand parts of life he looked forward to most,
overall, just one good night's sleep. And to dunk again, at least one more time.
For Arnett Health, I'm Lexi Cutmore.